WINAIR in Dominican Republic has an agreement for charter flights. What we saw was a denial, but I think what happened was a miscommunication where the situation, the first letter that was sent by the Director of the St. Maarten Civil Aviation, I was CC'd, Foreign Affairs was CC'd, but this was not a letter of that action. The letter that was circulating did go unnoticed to without, I was not informed of the decision. However, the Director has a mandate that was given before my time. I sat with the Director and explained, although you have such a mandate, so legally you can, at the end of the day, the Minister, myself, will be ultimately responsible. This discussion was had. We decided not to focus on the problem, but focus on the solution. Foreign Affairs were involved. The Director of the Tourist Bureau were involved. Mr. Lewis Hawley was involved, and we decided to contact the Civil Aviation of the Dominican Republic. Once all the information was gathered, we came to understand that it was actually a misunderstanding in which WINAIR applied for commercialization of their flights, so commercial flights, regular flights. That's what they applied for. And that was denied on the basis that the Dominican Republic has criteria and regulations that has to be lived up to in order to gain access to regular flights.